Can you imagine a situation where you would get impatient and just being patient, being free from that anxious frustration, being free from wanting it your way, from needing it to be different. Patience is an elixir. It's food from the gods, and it would be nice if it was taught in schools, but it's not. We have to learn it. We have to cultivate patience, usually by being humbled, usually by having life not go our way. Then we decide, okay, I think maybe I'd be better off being more patient. And there are feelings that are blocking the way to being more patient. And so we're going to do some tapping on that. Before we do, I want to show you my shirt. John Lennon, Imagine. Imagine being patient in every situation, letting stress take a vacation. So tap where I tap. Let my words flow over you. Let them wash over you. You pay attention to just tapping and breathing deeply if you can. Then just letting some deeper feelings come up as we tap. Even though I often get impatient when things don't go my way, I choose to deeply love and accept myself. Even though I sometimes get impatient, certain situations that just get on my nerves and I want them to be done, maybe when having to call Comcast and having to be on hold, and other times in my life where I'm not in control and I have to wait online or I have to wait for a soulmate. All kinds of possibilities. Even though these times are very frustrating because I want it my way, I choose to love and honor and accept all parts of me. Even the part of me that is kind of like a child that just wants it now, that doesn't understand. Patience. I totally give that part of me a hug. And I choose to tap away this tendency to need life to go my way for me to be happy, for me to be peaceful. So we're going to start tapping on this impatience. It's so frustrating. I want it now. That was Veruca Salt from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I want it now. And all this frustration behind the need or the want to have it be quick, to have it be easy, to have it be my plan, my way, my timing. Oh, part of me hates this idea of God's timing. Part of me hates to wait. I don't know how to be with myself when I'm waiting. I don't know how to be peaceful when I'm waiting. And this part of me just insists things should be different. It should happen now. I know what's best. And maybe there's some fear or sadness underneath my impatience. Maybe I'm scared that I'm going to be abandoned and not have my needs met. Maybe I'm just scared that if life isn't a certain way, something's wrong. Something's wrong with me, or something's wrong with God's plan. Maybe I'm being deprived for some reason. Maybe I'm being punished. And this impatience is my way of lashing out at the universe, saying, my way, not this. I want it now. And if I can't have it now, I'm going to be unhappy. I'll show you, God, or Mom, or Dad. I'll show you how wrong you are. I'm going to be miserable just to spite you or to teach you a lesson. So maybe there's some anger in my impatience. And if so, I choose to release that way of looking at the world. I choose to let go of my way or the highway. And I choose to be patient, to breathe, to feel a twinkling, a cosmic sense of humor behind my impatience. I choose to understand and feel that there is a divine perfection in all of the times that I need to wait. All of those times are opportunities for me to learn to wait with grace, to let time pass with grace. Maybe that means singing or dancing while I'm on hold with Comcast or some other corporate entity. Yeah, maybe it means breathing deeply, or just saying nice things to myself. But whatever it means, however I do it, I choose to refuse to use time to beat myself up, or to beat God up, or to beat Comcast up. I refuse to be at war with what is. Such a waste of time. And instead, I replace it with having fun. Finding creative ways to have fun while I'm waiting in line, or waiting on hold on the phone, or perhaps waiting for a soulmate to complete me. What if I was whole and complete right now? Yeah, what if everything's perfect, including myself? What if there's no such thing as a mistake or an accident in God's plan? And what if I'll be a whole lot happier accepting God's plan rather than insisting on my own? So I'm breathing a breath of relief because I can choose peace. In my plan, I release. I let the war within myself cease. I value peace more than anything. And I choose to practice peace and patience anytime I need it, in body, mind, and spirit. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like and subscribe and make a comment. All those things attract more viewers, so it all helps the world, and it helps me create a bigger audience for these YouTubes. So thank you for that. And if you're interested in getting some help, private sessions are available, and there'll be information about that in the box right below the video. So imagine all your patience replacing your frustration. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I know you've already joined us, and the rest of the journey will be fun. Thy will be done.